We are in Orlando, Florida, to introduce the 2019 new motocross model range, which is a big step ahead in development. We like to call the concept of our new motocross bikes Intelligent Moto. All the technological and functional improvements we did on our bikes are made to make the rider's life easier, going faster for longer with a lighter bike, more stable, more agile and easy to handle.
On the back of 2 brand new Supercross championships, a first for Husqvarna, we also have 5 brand new models coming your way for model year 2019.
The ALDON Baker's factory was the perfect and unique choice for the launch of our 2019 motocross models. It's an iconic place, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, but mostly the Baker's training program, or we can better call it a philosophy, perfectly fits the Intelligent Moto concept.
I think one of the key roles why they wanted to have it here is just when they see how much detail and discipline and the finer things that go into providing good dirt track and good training facility. I think it aligns with what they're trying to do with the motorcycles, with attention to detail and covering their bases in all areas. So it's an honor to have Husqvarna here.
We have big news on the entire model range, and we are hosting 60 journalists coming from all over the world, and split it in 2 groups. They will have the possibility to test our new bikes on a very nice motocross track.
Epic experience for somebody that grew up dreaming of racing motocross.
It's a paradise for dirt bikes.
And feel the conditions that Husqvarna's professional riders put these bikes through every day, and getting to experience what the bikes are capable of and what they put them through is really kind of a big difference compared to our normal testing.
It's so nice to be a part of a company like Husqvarna where they put what I feel is my feedback and my teammates' feedback into the bikes, and it's cool to come here, see the bikes, ride the bikes, and get a sense that your work isn't all in vain or for nothing, because they take our feedback and put it into the production bike.
The new 2019 Husqvarna, it's pretty dang fast for a stock bike. Pretty surprised on how comfortable I could get so quick, so I was happy.
It's super smooth, the power's delivery is perfect, and it just gradually gets faster and faster. You never run out of gearing. You know, it churns phenomenal. It's one of the best trained bikes out there.
These new bikes are insane. They're so easy to ride, yet so comfortable to corner and so powerful.
Bikes are so good.
Awesome. What a really cool, refined bunch of motorcycles. They just keep pushing development. I love that.
The bike is very comfortable in the technique sessions, in the corners.
You can really feel the small attention to details come through.
Of course, the lightweight makes the suspension setup pretty easy.
All the changes help to make a better rider.
I think the biggest thing I've taken away from these 2019 Husqvarnas is just how connected to the ground you feel.
You feel really safe on the bike.
Clearly the changes that they've done this year over last year have really suited me, suited my style, suited this track. And yeah, I guess it's 2 thumbs up for me.